Hi guys, I am out on the 16X. This is the second ride. As you know from the previous video, Ian, the guys from Speedy Feet, were so kind to loan me this wheel while I wait for my S18 to be repaired. So I'm out on the S8. Come on, get it right. I am out on the 16X. So for a second ride, and look, the wheel is super clean. I actually clean it with a wipe. No water required. So I don't want to run into any problems with this wheel also dying on me. So I cleaned it with a just some water wipes, and it came out really nice. It's super clean now. So I'm gonna do my normal route next to the canal to see how far I can get. And then yeah, there's some bit of sun out, so it's fairly dry. It did rain yesterday, but I'm gonna hit the trail next to the canal, see how far I can get, and just get some miles on the wheel. It's such a nice wheel, such a nice wheel. So let's get going. So it's not dry. It's still super wet here. After last weekends where I had frozen feet, I actually went out and to our local Decathlon, and I bought myself some it's like high top snowshoes for riding. But man, just sort of like a tip, you know, with guys starting out or whatever. If you try different shoes, it makes such a big difference. These shoes, they ride like totally different. It's because probably the sole is a little bit higher, and it's also like a tapered sole, and yeah, it's just a total different ride. And I have to get used to the shoe or the wheel all from the beginning. My Vans that I usually ride with is perfectly comfortable. This feels totally different. So just sort of a note for new riders, try different shoes, because you might find that one type of shoe works better than another type of shoe. And also when you get one shoe, try and use that shoe as much as possible, so you get used to that shoe and it becomes comfortable. But oh man, it's like super muddy here. It looks like a lot of mountain bikers has been through here. It's like check this path out. Oh, super muddy, eh? How is it? So I've turned around. It was just way too muddy and slippery to go any further. I was so hoping that I could do the whole ride without putting my feet down, but yeah, I had to. It was just thick sludge. But yeah, the shoes are working sweet, and it was definitely £35 thumbs up for Decathlon shoes, so I'm very happy with that. What else? Yeah, I'm just going to turn back. Probably got about I don't know how far the ride is. It was halfway now. I'm on my way back. So yeah, it's not fun, man. Come on, summer, where are you? But it's interesting. You know, even in this muddy conditions, as you can see behind me, if you lean too much forward too quickly, the wheel actually wheel spins. So there's so much torque and stuff here. And this is the thing. Any roots and stuff that you go over and you put too much lean into it, the wheel just spins. And then you basically fall off. But I haven't done that. No falling off today. Well, I'm gonna try not to fall off. It's like I stopped at the halfway mark and I just rolled the wheel backwards. And this massive chunk of mud just came out the back. Not good. So yeah, not as entertaining as I want it to be, but it's so nice to be out to ride the wheel, even if it's not very dry. Yeah, let's keep going. Another quick bit of feedback about the 16X. It does clear mud out of the wheel and the sort of the shell very nicely, so you don't get stuck with like loads of mud just being caked in there forever. So yeah, very nice. Not a good trail, but a nice wheel. Let's carry on. But I'm going to rate this whole thing now. I'm going to start rating my rides. ratemyride.com. So I think the wheel, you know, this 16X is such a nice wheel. It's just a do-it-all wheel, you know. Yes, it's not great for riding like super muddy conditions, but if you can fit another tire on this thing, it will be thumbs up. So 16X for me, thumbs up. If you need a wheel that can do pretty much anything, I think this is a good wheel. It's solid, it's nice, it looks nice, I like it. The trail, it's not great, too muddy, too much mud, not enough speed, don't like it. The shoes, big thumbs up. I must say this, for not spending a lot of money, the high top shoes, you can probably see them in the video, and I'll also link the shoes in the video. They're super comfortable. The sole is not too thick, so you don't lose too much feeling through your feet onto the pedals. They're light, they're warm, they're waterproof, and they look okay. You know, you can wear them anytime you like, jeans or whatever. So yeah. I'm now gonna head home, get some food, and then carry on for the rest of my day. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know how your riding is going in the UK, if you're getting out or getting some fresh air at least. So hope I see you guys on the next video. Cheers.